SPGC, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to mention, preface off by saying, is that 62% gains is immaculate. You know, it's cool, beautiful. But in my eyes, this is just absolutely twisted, because my idea was the complete opposite, you know. At this exact timing, only the caveat to this though is if the price gave me the second break. There's a reason why I had this double break rule that must have occurred in order for me to take things lower. I saw the first, second never came, and that because it never came, you know, I never traded, and it just kept going up, which is phenomenal. Generally speaking, in my eyes, SPGC is just filling inside this gap right here. That's where we are at, and in my eyes, I mean, yeah, it's going up. It's not like I haven't seen this happen thousands of times, because I've done 35,000 videos. The complete, like, my idea is the complete shift, you know. So, but I'm still kind of keeping an eye that if there is a double break beneath certain lows, I'm still willing to take things down, unless we really start then to break above 180. You might be like, you're gonna be way too late. Yeah, I get it, but I'd rather stick to my edge that I've tested for 35,000 videos, you know. So yes, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and very lean way, you can click the first link in the description, which is a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.